Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my quick restroom cleanup routine. So right now I'm just showing you what the restroom looks like before I get started with any of the cleaning. This is the cleaning that I like to do 1 to 2 a week, just to maintain my bathroom as clean and organized as possible. And I do like to do a deep clean every 2 weeks, but for today, since it's just a very easy and fast cleanup, I'm just going to be using these products. And when I do a deep clean, I use a little bit of different products. But to get started, I'm just going to take everything that needs to go in the washer, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with a load of my restroom mats. I like to wash that separate from everything else. I hope that you get some motivation out of this video, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Natalie. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and if you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up.
Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
So the first thing that I like to do is just dust all of the areas in my restroom that I know collect a lot of dust on them. And for us is this bathtub right here, because we hardly ever use this. So yeah, I find it easiest to just dust everything off before I actually spray it and wipe it down. And then I'm also going to be dusting all of my baseboards. Now I don't do this all of the time. I like to do it maybe like once every 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, if I kind of just end up skipping this step and it ends up building up, I find it easiest to take like a damp cloth or even a disinfectant wipe, like anything that is damp, and it will help remove that dust from the baseboard.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Okay, so now before I get started with cleaning the counter and the mirror, I like to take the toilet cleaner and just let it sit there in the toilet so it can start doing its work without me actually doing anything. But yeah, I get started with the mirror first, and then I start wiping down the counters. Now for the sinks, I do like to take my 7th generation disinfectant wipes just to disinfect that area first. And then I'll take a damp microfiber cloth to wipe everything down, and then I take a dry cloth at the end just to dry everything down.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season.
So now doing the same thing here, I like to spray it all down and take a damp microfiber cloth to wipe it down, and then I just dry it all up.
Another season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night.
And so now moving on to the toilet. Now this is the least favorite part of the restroom for me to clean, and I think that we can all agree on that. But just to make it super easy on me, I am using the 7th generation wipes. Now I did have this sprayed down with the Mrs. Meyer's spray at first just to have it soaking already. And I'm also wearing different gloves, but I'm not gonna stay too much time on here. But I basically just start wiping everything down from the top all the way to the bottom.
Life's calling, but it's all because I'm falling, 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 falling.
And so now moving on to my shower, I like to start off by cleaning the shower door, and I'm just using my Method glass cleaner for this. I clean both sides of it, and then I get started by taking everything out from the shower. I wipe all of the bottles down just to make sure they're dry and clean. And if there's any bottles that have any buildup on them, like soap or something, then I'll take my disinfectant wipe just to make it easy and take that off of them. But yeah, and then I just spray everything down and take my disinfectant wipes to tackle any spots that I feel like are having a little bit of mildew or whatever that's called. I don't know, it's nasty, but I like to take my disinfectant wipes to clean that down. And then I'll just take the shower head and rinse everything down, and then just kind of dry everything with my little squeegee.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. Progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too.
I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there.
Alright, so now that we're pretty much cleaning everything, all I'm going to do now is sweep and mop in the restroom. And I'm going to be sweeping with my Swiffer dry sheets. And now for the mopping, I'm going to be using this Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. And this solution does not need to be diluted with any water, but I still do a little bit. And I'm also using my oat cedar mop, which, by the way, I am loving this mop, you guys. I just got it like a month ago, and I found out, well, heard reviews about it through other mommies on YouTube. But yeah, so far I'm loving it. It is so easy to use and very lightweight, and I love it.
Figure this out. Put your feet down. We are lucky ones.
So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching all the way to the end if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.